Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to repair your sofa set by your own. Whenever you buy the completely covered sofas, you have all probability of getting cheated. Particularly when you give this out to local vendors to service this, they really cheat you by not putting quality material in the furniture. So this is a sofa which has been removed by me, okay, where all these belts were qualityless, so we have all changed this. Because everything is been closed with material, you will not see it. Finally, see how the material they have used in this. So this is why I am saying, if at all you want to service a sofa, okay, call the vendor, ask him to sit in front of you and do the service. You see there's no action on this. First up we are going to remove all the screw and separate the sofa from the stand. Now we have to remove this cloth. So you remove the entire stretch, so this will come out. Then you have to remove this resin also. So if you see, after removing this, the entire stretch has to be, this has gone loose, so we have to tighten all this. So we have to remove, the next is we have to remove the resin. So now we are removing this resin, this, okay, and also we have to remove this slowly. It's stuck, so slowly, otherwise it will tear off. Be careful, be soft, because it should not get torn away. Again we have to stick the same sponge to cut the cost. So we have removed this. Now the sofa is ready for the major surgery. Now we have to tighten all this belt. Only then it will give you the grip. One by one we are going to remove this belt, both sides, so that we can just tight this and fit this back. And we are also going to give a center support, which I will show you after removing this. So let us remove. After removing the belt, remove all this pins, because these pins may hurt you. You have to see that there are no pins. Only then you can also pin the step with fresh pins. Okay, so it comes out with a little bit of effort. So almost everything has been removed. These pins will not come out. We have finished this and cleaned the surface for a better grip. Okay, now I'm going to cut this pieces also, because this actually tears down the foam. So you stretch and then stapler this. Okay, so the stapler, if you find it little bit loose, just slightly hammer it. We are using this PVC pipe, which is a waste after cutting this from our rainwater harvesting. You can see this waste we are using here. So now we have to screw all this and staple this on the opposite side. Sure, we will finish this screwing. Finally, we will cross this. Okay, we have to just give a support here and here. We will show it. We have 3 bays. Each bay has to be cross tightened. Okay, so even this bay. Now we'll stapler it. So now we have completely finished the base. You can see the spring action. As far as the strength of it, now even if a person jumps on it, nothing is going to happen to this sofa. Okay. So because this extra support, the life of this is going to be extra. I am using this foam. This was lying in my godown, which I removed from my soundproof door. To fill this gap, we are using this bed. We have taken this bit here, so which will fit exactly. This is a cavity which I'm going to fill. Put some solution here and there. I'm not placing it everywhere because use some time and then place it. The complete thing has come out very well. So we have used this half-inch thermocol because we have got this damage in our cushion. This will hold good now, but still we have 2 or 3 pit holes. You saw we cut the wood because this gets damaged because of the wood. So now we have to do a little bit of surgery. Okay. I'm going to fit this into this hole. Turn this and cut the excess. Just apply a little bit of solution. Don't apply too much of solution because it may make the foam very hard. So just apply in the edges so that it holds good. You got to stick this here. Okay. And when you put a cover on this, this will fit 100%. Keep this safe before even having a Rexin lining or a fabric lining. What we are doing is we are using this cotton waste tee. Turnings now. So this is completely fit now. Now we are going to pull this and tighten the back side. Now cut this excess piece. Fold this. There are 2 methods of taking the measurement to the cover. One is if you know tailoring, it's very simple. You can just measure from here to bottom is around 30 inches. Okay, 30 inches. Plus you have to leave around 4 to 5 inches to pull the fabric and pin it down. Again, back is also 20 and half. The next one is from here to here is the fabric we are using. So this falls around 6 inches plus again 4 inches for the fabric to be pinned. Okay, again you have to take the measurement of this one, which is around 4 inches plus another 2 to 3 inches allowances for pinning it. Okay, so you have a piece here. Actually I take a separate bit for this because otherwise you will waste the fabric. So we normally any even if you give it a vendor, he will use a separate 4-inch by 8-inch bit where there is a slight shape in this. The next second method is how to cut the fabric for the sofa. So this part is around 60 by 34, which we have marked here. Okay, so this is the 60 by 34 part. Okay, and this bit, okay, and left and right, it's around 20 by 20 by 12 and half, which we have marked here. Okay, this is the side patch which will be here in this sofa. You can see this side patch which you have marked there, and these two pieces are for the bottom. This one is for holding your cushion, and this bit is for closing the down part. So this we have marked. Now we are going to cut this and then we'll stitch. So first we are going to attach this side bit. Okay, then we will attach the front part, then we will attach the back part. Not much of tailoring is required, just if you know to stitch normal stitches, that is more than enough. See, we have stitched so that there is no thread visible. After attaching the space, we have attached the front and finished. Now we are attaching the side. Side has to be attached from this place to this place. Okay, around 20 inches. This front side for 4.5 to 5 inches. Okay, let us stitch. So we are going to remove all these marks and make it clean. So we are going to varnish it for a better finish. You'll get a nice cool finish. So the cover is ready now. Bring this fabric to cover this part. Okay. First we have to cut this out, otherwise you have to buy 2-way tape or 1-inch cardboard putty tape. So I am using PVC for a better grip and good look. So you can use according to your budget, but everything will cost around 40 to 50 rupees. So we are going to cut this now. So now we have to pin this here so that we get a very aesthetic look. Let us start pinning. Finally, we are closing the bottom with the old fabric which was there on this, without changing it. So pin at every 3 to 4 inches. So place this. So it has fit perfectly. Now you can see the sofa is completely ready. We have not spent more than 2000 rupees for this. But yes, we have worked for 2 days, no doubt in that. But it's completely ready. The entire, all the 3 sets are perfect. You can do it on your own if you have some interest and some techniques you can see from this video and learn. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell button next to my subscription button to get my regular updates. Thank you. Bye bye.